Parents, should you sign up your child to an online tuition class? And my answer is yes and no. And here is why. One thing about online tuition is that it's very convenient. You can literally learn at home. So you don't have to travel to a tuition class 30 minutes away from your home. This actually can tire out your child. But doing at home, they can just sit down and learn. Second thing is that from my experience as an online tutor, this makes it easier for you as a parent to actually oversee your child learning. Your child can sit beside you, and then the parent, which happens quite a lot, will probably be looking and seeing whether the child is focusing on the lessons. And the best part is sometimes the parent will come into the call and then ask how's the progress of the child, and I can just immediately say, yeah, it's doing well, and I can share online as well, right, on their workings and what they can improve on. And this gives, I call it, a faster feedback, so that the parents can understand a little bit more on how to help their child to make better progress. So in a way, a hand-in-hand kind of thing. However, why I would not recommend online tuition is, number one, if you are not around as a parent and you leave your child to learn, from my experience, they are not the best disciplined age to actually learn. So there are instances where I have students who use ChatGPT to give answers, or I had a student who slept through the lesson. But that student of mine got a very good feedback from their parents, and now she is overseen by her siblings and her parents. And the second thing is that you need to oversee your child, especially in primary school, because they are not at an age or they are not disciplined enough to actually focus on the lesson. So that means you have to be around, but maybe if you're good at multitasking, then I think that's perfectly fine.